Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to earn money from Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these steps. Basically, to earn money anywhere, you will need just to work. And to work for Salesforce, you will need just to earn some position or to apply for position in Salesforce. So basically, you can do this by just simply going to the trailhead.salesforce and you can start learning uh, for any position in Salesforce. So you can go to the trailhead, you go to the learn path or the trails, and from there you can find positions that you would be or roles that you would interest you, like administrator, architect, business analyst, or whatever. Then you can go also for the career growth and search for the career marketplace, and you can find all the job opportunities that you can see uh, in for Salesforce. So basically, we need just to go to jobs, and from here you can find all the opportunities or job applications, and from there you can find all the roles, see what interests you, and you can start learning for it. So you can go to the trails and choose the role that interested you. So for example, if it was for a developer role, you can go here for developer, you can choose the level, and you can start learning. And after that you can go and apply also for certificates. So you can go to learning and search for the certifications. And when you get the certification, you can also, let's just go for certificates and search for them. And basically, when you get the certifications, you can also have more opportunity or more chance to get accepted, etc. And by that, you will be able to earn money from Salesforce. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.